couple of other jobs while the plastics, while the air's been taken out. It gives you a chance to do stuff, and then you can come back here just before it's ready, and you can just make sure that the eyepieces are okay, that there's no plastics going to hinder it, and you can just check to make sure. This is also why we bunch it, because remember, I know some people roll it and then it gets very, very tough, and then you can't rotate it. You know, see, so this can all get tucked away. So there's probably only one other strap I would use, which would be this one. But we'll just let the air do a little bit more work and see what it can do for us. So you see how much work the air is doing for you, so you don't have to use the strap. So the only other strap I would probably use is this one here. And all I would do is bring this here out the corner and just stick it back in the socket. It doesn't have to be tight. Well, this is why we do the training, so that everyone can see. So there you can hear now it's gone quieter because most of the air is out, and this is activated for